Turkey's indigenous fifth-generation fighter jet program, KAAN, has entered a new phase with the unveiling of its latest prototype. Following the successful flights of the first prototype in 2024, Turkish Aerospace Industries, or TAI, is now preparing the second flying prototype, incorporating several major design improvements learned from early flight testing. In February 2026, Turkey's Defense Industries Agency released new images from TAI's production facility, revealing three key aircraft. The first prototype, known as P0, which completed its maiden flights in 2024, is now being used primarily for ground-based system validation and further development. Alongside it was the nearly completed P1 prototype, the second flying aircraft in the program, equipped with twin General Electric F-110 afterburning turbofan engines. Also displayed was a dedicated, full-scale static test airframe. Unlike the flying prototypes, this aircraft will never leave the ground. Instead, it is designed to undergo extreme structural stress testing, allowing engineers to verify the aircraft's strength and durability before mass production begins. The new P1 prototype features several noticeable improvements over the original aircraft. One of the most significant changes is the redesigned air intake system. The intakes have been moved farther aft and enlarged, improving airflow to the engines, while also creating additional space for internal sensors and avionics. The landing gear configuration has also been refined. Engineers are believed to have widened the landing gear track, increasing ground stability, while freeing up valuable internal space for larger weapons bays and additional onboard systems. The aircraft sensor suite has also received major upgrades. A faceted housing positioned in front of the cockpit is expected to accommodate a Celson's Carrot IRST system. Beneath the nose, Turkey's indigenous toy gun electro-optical targeting system has also been integrated, while the advanced Murad AESA radar has not yet been officially confirmed on the new prototype. The redesigned radome suggests preparations for its future installation. Several subtle modifications have also been made across the fuselage, including changes to the aircraft's outer geometry and provisions for additional 360-degree defensive sensors. Inside the cockpit, the aircraft is expected to use Turkey's new Tulgar helmet-mounted display system, further enhancing pilot situational awareness. Before taking to the skies, the new prototype must complete an extensive series of ground tests. These include structural load testing, systems integration, avionics validation, hydraulic testing, lightning strike certification, and high-speed taxi trials. Turkey is also using sophisticated Iron Bird test rigs to verify complex flight control and electronic systems before they are installed in the aircraft. Once these evaluations are complete, the P1 prototype will begin an intensive flight test campaign. Engineers will gradually expand the flight envelope by testing the aircraft at higher altitudes, supersonic speeds, and high-G maneuvers while validating its stealth characteristics, sensor fusion, and combat systems. Although the current prototypes are powered by imported F-110 engines, Turkey is simultaneously developing its own indigenous TF-35000 turbofan engine through TEI and TR motor. The long-term objective is to equip future production KAAN fighters with a fully Turkish-built engine, reducing dependence on foreign suppliers. KAAN is designed to become Turkey's first indigenous fifth-generation fighter, featuring low observable stealth technology, internal weapons bays, advanced electronic warfare systems, and network-centric combat capabilities. It is expected to play a central role in the Turkish Air Force, while serving as an indigenous alternative after Turkey's removal from the F-35 program. With multiple prototypes now under development and flight testing accelerating, Turkey aims to begin serial production toward the end of this decade, marking one of the country's most ambitious aerospace projects to date. Thanks for watching. What do you think about Turkey's KAAN fighter jet program? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more latest aviation and aerospace updates.